What's good, YouTube? Not really gonna do that much of an intro. Today we're making these jeans I called Born Free patchwork jeans. That's really it. Let's get right into the video. So these are the jeans and shirt that I'm using. The jeans are my double back jeans that I don't really like anymore, so I'm repurposing them again. And this shirt, my grandma gave me this shirt. I didn't really like it because it says Born Free on it, and it's Juneteenth this month, so I'm pretty sure you can connect the dots. But my vision here is like kind of like squiggly lines. It looks like a kind of like a splash, I guess. That's what I'm doing with the excess pieces. I actually kind of gave up with that idea and started doing circles, but that didn't really look right. So I just used the ones that I had. I low-key don't even know how to explain what I'm doing, but anyway, this is me cutting out the design. I'm going to like X out the American made design thing with the roses and Born Free. I was gonna put a question mark by that. So this is me cutting the excess pieces into circles, which that didn't really work. Didn't really like that, but I did start doing some X's. You'll see that soon, I'm pretty sure. So these are the pieces all cut up. Those are the circles and the squiggly line thingies, I think. And those are the designs, and that is what I did with that. And also X'd out American made. This is me seam ripping the jeans. I ended up not using that flare again. I just made a whole new one because that one looked kind of weird. So right here I'm just taking apart the flare, and then I'm going to seam rip the hem, and then we're going to move on to seam ripping the inseam. Successfully seam ripped the inseam. Now I'm ironing the inseam so it can be all flat and stuff, so it won't be hard to work with. This was me ironing the flares. I ended up not using those again. But this is the jeans all seam ripped, and these are the designs that I did. So we're sewing those on first. So I don't know why I didn't show me cutting out the new flare, but this is me sewing it on. I don't know why I didn't record it, but this is me sewing on the new flares. And these are the flares done. I really like these more than the other ones because they match the fabric more. So this is me pinning the designs onto the jeans. So I'm adding the other shirt details, the like squiggly splash thingies or whatever. So as you can see, I got rid of the circles and just used this big like splash kind of thing here. I don't know what to call it, but I pinned some X's on there. Put on the eagle up there, or pinning that there. Added some more like splash shirt thingies, whatever, I don't know. Added some more X's. So this is the everything pinned together. Really liked the way I lined this up, but now we have to sew it together. Also, this is the back. Those pockets were already on there. So this is me sewing everything together. So these are the patches all sewn on. All I have to do now is do the inseam, sew the inseam together. This is me sewing the inseam. So we're all done with the inseam, and now we are ironing. Make sure you are ironing your inseam, outseam, everything when you are doing this kind of stuff because it looks better. And this is the finished product right here. All the patches on, pretty nice. I hate that you can't see the question mark, but you can only see it like close up, but it's cool. You get the gist of the piece. But this is the back. I really do like the pockets with all this design because before it didn't really look that great. Kind of looked empty, so now it looks pretty good. And this is the on body right here. I definitely like this flare better. Gives it more of like, it sits better like on your shoe, if that makes sense. And that is it for today's video. If you're interested in buying these jeans, DM me on Instagram, wakeupsaturn_. Hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you think of this piece. If you are interested in buying some of my other pieces, I have some archive pieces on my Depop right now. Link in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.